Imagine owning the same front porch where Theodore Roosevelt once stood. That's exactly where we are today, at Tippah Lodge, a 1901 Mississippi estate surrounded by 100 acres of rolling timber and pasture land. sent lions on horseback with hounds, and this estate became part of a life defined by exploration, hunting, and adventure. That connection to Theodore Roosevelt is one of the most remarkable pieces of the property's history. Roosevelt came here to hunt, and a photograph was taken on this very porch of Rainey and the former president together. More than a century later, Roosevelt's grandson returned to Mississippi and made the pilgrimage to stand where his grandfather once stood. Today, that same porch remains part of the estate. Rainey's legacy reached far beyond this property. During World War I, he drove an ambulance on the Western Front. He later lassoed a polar bear by himself in the Arctic, and his wildlife films eventually played in Hollywood. His name can still be found on the gates of the Bronx Zoo and on a 26,000-acre Audubon wildlife sanctuary in Louisiana. William Faulkner even wrote Rainey into American literature. Today, Tippah Lodge remains a private gated estate, surrounded by 100 acres of northeast Mississippi timber and pastureland. The property offers the kind of seclusion that makes a historic estate feel truly removed from the outside world, while the surrounding landscape preserves the setting that made this place special more than a century ago. And there's another important detail for the next owner. The new highway will not expand in front of the property, helping protect the privacy and character of this historic setting. This is more than an opportunity to own a historic Mississippi estate. It's an opportunity to become the next steward of a property connected to Paul J. Rainey, Theodore Roosevelt, and a remarkable chapter of American history.